Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to add links to your shorts. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, one very important point is links wherever shared in shorts are not clickable. So, how do you maximize shorts to generate clicks on your links, right? So, this is my other channel on YouTube, which is called I am Saave. So, the first way is to add links in your video description. So, you can see in this video of mine, which pertains to Luxor, I included the tour link in my video description. So, this is the first way you can add a link to your shorts, right, in the video description. The second way is you can add via pinned comment. You can add a pinned comment over here with the link. The same link maybe for travel video, you can add links. But the key point to remember is this link will not be clickable. That is, people can copy paste the link and then visit the site, but directly it won't be clickable. And this is because YouTube wants to avoid spam links to avoid frauds and scams being happening via the links posted on the videos. The third important way is you can always add a description, that link in bio. So you can post on your video text saying link in bio, and you have to then ensure that you add links in your channel bio. How do you do this? You can see in this channel of mine, I have added different. This is my digital store. This is the link, Skyscanner link, Facebook, Substack, Top Cashback. All the links of my affiliate are posted over here. So this is the third way. You can post text on your screen and you can ask them to go via the link, that the link is in the bio. The fourth is you can ask them to subscribe to a channel. So you can add GIF to your images or shorts. So you can see in this text, in this video, when I have clicked on subscribe. So this means you are asking them to click on subscribe button, which appears over here. So these are the ways in which you can add links to your shorts and help you generate clicks to your website or blogs. I hope this was useful. If in case you have any queries, post in the comments and do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.